Hello. For my Restorative Art Lab number 3, I chose uh, my to do my person as Joe Biden, 46th President of the United States. I chose him because the last time I took this course, my model looked quite a bit like him, uh, and I think if I just add a little bit and kind of shoot for him instead of shooting for somebody else like I was last time, I think it can even be better this time around. Okay, some natural facial markings that I noticed on him right off the bat was number one, the nasal sulci, and it's both sides, but I just marked this side. Number two is the nasolabial folds right here. And this picture doesn't really show this side much, but some other pictures you can really tell about both sides. Philtrum is right here, and like I said, in other photos, it kind of comes out more than this one here. And then the angulus oris eminence. It's right down here, which it doesn't show on this side. It's probably the lighting. Not much is showing up on that side. But okay, the acquired facial markings that I noticed. Interciliary sulci right here. And it's right here. The optic facial sulci, and it is right over here. The inferior palpable sulcus, it's right here. You can really tell in this picture on these certain markings. Nasolabial sulcus right here. The bucofacial sulcus, and it's right in here. And then the mandibular sulcus, and it's right behind it. And then the cords of the neck kind of show up in here. The facial shape. I would consider Mr. Biden's face shape rectangular. It kind of tapers off down here toward the chin, you can see, but it's mainly, I mean, his hairline's pretty straight. It's straight on both sides, and it's really kind of rectangular except for the bottom portion of his chin. Just kind of, I don't know why that box is blue either. It wasn't, but. And then his profile. I would consider Mr. Biden's facial profile to be straight, and as you can see in this picture, it's really straight. So that's what I would consider this one. And that's the end. Thank you.